Yo, what is good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction now. So today, we're going to react to Acer Yuletide Surprise Reset full music video. This is a song uh, from Acer with SB19 and Sandara Park. Like, what the hell? I'm actually like today. Maybe later after this video, I'm most probably going to upload this on the same day as well. I was about to react to SB19 Takeover Acer HQ, and that's the reason why napunta ako dito. And I am so curious about this song. Kaya ito muna unahin natin. Ito muna unahin natin pakinggan. Well, without further ado, man, let's get it. Reset.
Let's go. Reset.
Hey yo, let me take your load. Pack your bags, we'll hit the road. Go somewhere we don't know. Pursue whatever Acer got you.
Hi.
Do whatever Acer got you.
Seasons change. Don't care if it day's a holiday. We make memories as if it's last. So control paradise. See what paradise.
Ganda rin. Siya kaya sumulat doon. Si Sandara Park kaya sumulat ng linya na yun. Di ba? So, ayun. So go. Sabi niya? Throw. Ayun. So go throw a pair of dice. Kasi pair of dice, di ba? As parang, ang meaning nila doon is parang, yung meaning nila doon sa so go throw a pair of dice is like, parang tumaya ka, like take risk, di ba, gano'n. Kasi everyday, sabi nga ni Sanda doon, seasons change but I don't care, everyday is like a holiday, di ba? So parang gano'n nga. And then, the next one is,
Control paradise. See what paradise.
see what paradise. The word play with pair of dice and paradise. Siya kaya sumulat nun?
So control paradise. See what paradise. Butterfly, land skies. You're allowed to enjoy life.
Beat it, go reason.
Ah?
Know that you deserve it. Yeah.
Hey yo, let me take your load. Pack your bags, we'll hit the road. Go somewhere we don't know. Pursue whatever Acer got you. Do whatever Acer got you. Do whatever Acer got you.
Got you. Eto na naman tayo. Drawing na naman bago. Mas mabuti pang walang plano. Kasi nga natutuloy, no choice. Kapag andyan na sila sa pinto. Number one.
It's a fucking real talk, by the way. That is a real fucking talk.
Super now without you. Di ka makakasama sa ko. But don't you worry, I know.
Sadaku.
Now without you. Di ka makakasama sa ko. But don't you worry, I know.
Ang kulit kasi yung parang yung parang yung tunog, tapos yung, alam mo yun, yung parang, paano sabihin ito? Yung tunog niya is parang Japanese. Right? Like, pag may kinig ka ng mga intro ng mga anime, like mga ballads or, na intro or outro ng anime. Same ng, ng tunog, kumbaga.
No choice. Kapag andyan na sila sa pinto. Number one, super now without you. Di ka makakasama sa ko. But don't you worry, I know. We're connected by our hearts and our souls.
Pablo's vocals, man.
Reset, oh yeah. Know that you deserve it, yeah.
Hey yo, let me take your load. Pack your bags, we'll hit the road. Go somewhere we don't know. Pursue whatever Acer got.
got you.
Be an acer in whatever you pursue. The world is a better place because of you.
Hey yo, let me take your load. Pack your bags, we'll hit the road. Go somewhere we don't know. Pursue whatever Acer got you.
Forever mahal ko kayo.
Hey! Siya, di ba, siya, alam ko, siya nagpauso nun, di ba? Nung mahal ko kayo. Mahal ko kayo, di ba? Pero siya, di ba? Kasi parang naging ano na siya, naging trademark na siya nasabihin ng mga foreigner. Right? Pero if I remember correctly, parang siya yun. O nun. Basang krong-krong.
Forever mahal ko kayo.
Hey!
Whatever Acer got you.
Yeah. Nice, man. Acer. Alright, well, that's Acer Yuletide Surprise Reset, no? Full MV again, kasama SB19 and si Sandara Park, man. Yeah, I mean, ano lang, no? Good vibes and hindi ko inaakala na yung pinakamagandang linya na maririnig ko sa kantang to is galing sa verses ng Sandara Park, no? You throw a pair of dice to see what pair of dice. Nice. Well, that's our reaction for today, man. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Leave a like and subscribe kung gusto mag-react sa video ng artist, man, singer, rapper, song. Just comment down below. Get out tayo dyan. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You stay awesome. Peace.